ddg3000 Multimedia Portfolio, Week 1 voiceover recording of the lay of the land, the syllabus, and the assignments for Week 1. Many of you have either had me in a class before or are comfortable with the Blackboard environment, but I thought because it's an online course and getting to know the professor and getting to know the students, the best way to do the weekly announcements to get started here was to do a little voiceover animation for you. So I'm going to go in here and navigate through the sections of the course and the Week 1 coursework folder to get us off on a good foot. You'll notice that on the left-hand side there's always an announcement tab in Blackboard, and this is where you'll find your weekly announcement. I'm going to go ahead and replace this video with my new video recording that I'm making now, and I'll send it out to you via email. You'll get an email each week kicking off the week with the course assignments and the expectations for the week and everything that will be covered. I always like to do that via an email, typically the Tuesday before the week starts, because we start on Wednesdays. So Tuesday night at midnight ends the weekly assignment and starts Wednesday with the new weekly assignment. So let's go ahead and navigate through the course a little bit. You'll notice that the syllabus section has the portfolio syllabus that you can review at your leisure. This is a portfolio course, so we are building, in essence, a visual resume of what you've learned and completed through the program so far. We do have it set up in a way that as you design more pieces, whether it be in this semester or whether it be with clients that you gather outside the classroom, we'll be able to insert those at any point in time and continually update your portfolio. Your portfolio is liquid like your resume is, so as you design new projects, as you create new things for clients, as you do new classroom projects, you can always replace and add to your portfolio as your design skills grow. Your coursework tab will have our weekly folders, so you'll actually see how everything is laid out here through the 15 weeks. Week 1, we will tackle the first 3 chapters in your digital portfolio textbook. This is all about the planning process of your portfolio, things like self-assessments, things like dream jobs, things that will get us to understand what you're looking to do as a dream career and help us tailor your portfolio in that way. So we'll go into our Week 1 folder, and you'll see that there is a description of me, my contact information. Email is always a great way to reach me because I'm always able to come right back and interact with you via email by my iPhone, my iPad, or my MacBook. Phone is good as well. It rings my office phone, and if I don't pick that up, it leaves a message on my cell phone. A little course introduction to Multimedia Portfolio, ddg3000. You'll see our learning outcomes and the chapters that address the learning outcomes and the competencies that address those skills. I always like to include the academic honesty policy just so you can see how Hodges deals with that. This is all original work from you, so the honesty policy doesn't apply as much as it would in, let's say, an English class or a liberal arts or a liberal studies class, but it does apply. Week 1 introduction restates that we're going to cover chapters 1 through 3. You'll notice our assignments are as follows. You'll have a dream job Word document that you'll need to fill out and attach back to me. There is a self-assessment document that you will check and fill in and send back to me. You can do that digitally, or you can print it out and fill it in and then take pictures of it with your phone and email and post the JPEGs back to me, however you want to do that. And there is a written true-false multiple choice quiz for the first 3 chapters in the book. I also would like us to interact via a discussion board each week. And so let's try to kick off this week and get it posted before that next Wednesday date of next week. That way we get that interaction started. Your weekly learning outcomes, what we're addressing in each of the first 3 chapters. You will submit your self-assessment and your dream job paper by clicking on this link and submitting it back to me. Here's the PDF self-assessment, and here's the Word doc dream job paper. I also would like you to download, and it doesn't matter which file this is, the portfolio template, the template book that we will be using to populate in your portfolio as we move forward. I've also included a PDF of some student samples of their portfolios, so you can kind of see how our case study design is going to unfold as we go forward. And I like to include some videos. These are actually from different books. I did shoot a logo tutorial here to kind of show you as we start to brand your portfolio what the personal logo is all about, and then a couple other videos that are included. Now, Distance Ed for the first time has included an online questionnaire, some basic questions about online competency. Please complete that for week 1 so that the questionnaire can give some feedback to you as to your online readiness. And that's going to get us started for week 1. So let's go over here and take a look at the discussion board and see what our discussion topic is for week 1. Week 1 we'll be talking about online portfolios. So please search the web and locate an online portfolio for designer. Share the link and let's talk about it. Give us a little feedback, a little response. I'm looking for, outstanding portfolios that you think are amazing. So that'll give us some talking points for me to interact as you as classmates interact. And each week we'll tackle a discussion topic. This is a really great way to get students interacting. The earlier you post in the week, the more time it gives your classmates and myself to respond and interact. So often students wait to the very last minute, that Tuesday or Wednesday when the week rolls over, and that doesn't really give us time during the week to comment back and forth. This really shouldn't be a one post and you're out kind of thing. You should post, and then later on you should check what other students are posting, and we should start a little dialogue. That's how you learn. That's how you feed your brain. So hopefully this will evolve into a really healthy discussion each week. And that is participation. That gives us a chance to participate. And this is an online course, so we will have an end of the term post-exam, which will be a compilation of our weekly questions. It'll be the multiple choice and the true-false. It's 2 points apiece, and I typically do between 75 and 100 questions, random question from our weekly quizzes, and that'll give us a chance to reinforce the design topics that we're covering. The book is great for learning correct terminology in our industry. It's a really great book for that. So have a great beginning to the semester. I can't wait to interact with each of you, and I look forward to your portfolios evolving and professionally fine-tuning and becoming that visual resume that gets you that first dream job. Okay, have a good week. Bye.